beg him and them a strength and a life. Give beg, I pay me, I pay them then.
Me not keep friend because here what we go on now. And that is the thing.
Well, I mean, no.
Look at it. When you not do nothing at all, I NSC, I flash, I everything. Every man nice. So you're going to build a house. You're going to know your real bomb class friend.
Believe, yeah.
You hear? So you're going to have money, bad man. That's how keep friend. We don't love that.
I go on the YouTube picture surface, like him post up some status, and I want to say, like him a celebrate. Watch how I go on.
See me man, my people, the killer behind Niah's attacker him this mark him face him do the kill him. See me man, my people, the killer behind Niah's attacker him this mark him face.
So basically, the youth post death and post R.I.P. Niah. And basically, death a laugh. You understand? You have one little man a dig out the grave and a laugh. Feel sweet. So, right now, the people must say, look fishy, look strange. You know? Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. People don't know what to do. No one to post, no one to say out of no mouth, and we'll get yourself in a trouble. So, you see all the youth you know? At the end of the day, if any eat for reach him, and him cause it, be careful with your posts. And then now, police will on him or other people will on him, I go ball and say, no, him, he no do nothing. I just fun him, I do it for people, no be careful. Right now, they must say the neighbors, when now you kick off with all the while, they on some payments. Couple times while this man go live and him and them, I go back and forth. They must say, Niah make up too much noise, night and day, them can't sleep in them bed. As early as the morning be Niah out there, I make up nice on TikTok. Late as the night be, he might make up nice. And the people them say they want to sleep. So him and them kick off multiple times. You understand? And badness show both sides. Niah bad them up, them bad up Niah. You understand? Who I say they will get gunshot, bomb, all different type of things. And them the type of thing they go on. Now people, boy, I'm gonna tell you, just stick still, you know. Niah always a chat still now, boy. I'm tell it. Boy, I feel it for him. You know? Boy, mouth. And he's a man who says certain things and he look like he not even mean it, and just in personality. Love chat. You understand? Love chat, but your mouth will put you in some serious problems. Boy, I'm tell you, people, leave a thought. Watch the live and see where you can pick out it and listen what I go on in the background.
That's the same neighbor who is involved in Niah death.
Every morning, me the right here, so me in the house. In bed, me in bed, me can't me in your house. I feel uncomfortable, I wake up a morning time, brother. I'm going to tell you, if all I'm not comfortable, me in my bed, nothing can wake me up, give one bumbo clap, man. The boy, a dog, and I can't talk. Suck your mother back, boy. But see you on the face, man, and I feel people about here. You that boy. Be alive, be alive. And top medicine, man. Tell her already how long. Be alive and top medicine, man. Yeah, what dog, you can't tell him. Boy, waste, man. I tell him. Can't talk to your dog, you listen. Just be alive and top medicine, man, dog. I ain't idea every day. Look how nobody tell me now, move. I just say, I'm from this morning, me leave you, I'm no nice. Leave a back to there.
You can't tell me because you can't come on my blood clapping. I'm coming on my gate country. No, boy. I put the term. No, boy.
Just be alive.
What's in the world of fuck?
Be alive, dad.
Oh, yeah, man.
Be alive, dad. Just be alive, man. Yeah.
That man trade that capture. Fuck you, man.
Just be alive and talk to me.
When people are on the yards, that's why everyone wants that blood.
Everybody have a mental disorder to get up, and everybody's supposed to be them feel like there's no rule and no law. Everybody.
It is so sad, and I mean sad, to see what Christianity has come, to see what we say we are leaders and Christians as cause that sinners and backsliders, them not know if them should go serve God. Them just believe now, say listen, it best me turn on my yard, read my Bible, pray, than come among many of us who say we are leaders and Christians, and I can't blame them. Because you see, when me feel from people who say them are leaders and Christian, let me tell you, if me never know God for myself through His word, let me tell you, all God me that hate. For all people say them are leaders and Christian, do me, who no lie upon me, God be a man for me. Try kill me, try to bring down the ministry where God give me. Then do everything to move people from around me. To make it look like say I'm me. Right? Around the people then. But let me tell you this. You see the sinners and the backsliders and we left out, they will lose them way. Because of us, hey, a lot of we leaders and Christians. The blood of sinners and backsliders gonna be on our hand. The Bible warned us. And that is why me talk every day. Say nobody blood I gonna require upon my hand. That's why when me preach or teach the word, who accept it, accept it. God never forced nobody to accept His word, neither to accept Him or His Son. His Son died for every one of us, but His Son never commit to us. Because He knew who all men was and is. But it's sad to see we say we are leaders, and that is why me be different, you know. And that is why I want to hate me. Let me tell all the loyal people them out there. You see, people say them are Christian. Many of them hate me, including many of them who say them are leaders. Them hate me with a passion. It's sad to see, right? Sinners, right? If you are trying at these days, to know God for themselves, feed themselves. When it is us who are leaders and Christians should now win them to Christ. That is why a lot of them don't want to come to Christ. It's sad. It is so sad. Listen to me, man. Let me tell you this, you know. The church gone left the building, you know. Right now the building in the building, you know. Because that I don't even understand. Because when you see people in the building, when you see them at the church, just like a lot of people, oh, me I got a church tomorrow. Oh, you feel I got a church. The church is not the building. You become the church when you do and stand and live for God. But many who in the building now live, them are not the church, them are the building. Many not understand say God a clean out. God a take out the church out of the building. Because the building a contaminate the church. And that is why I preach it and I teach it. I said, you who decided to stand for God, this time you're going to look like a foolishness. It's sad. May I tell you the truth? It's sad. I only still come online and do God's work because of what God's word said. Because listen to me. Them will say them are Christian no need God. 95% of leaders they no belongs to God, need a Christian. 95% of hope in the world belongs to God. And that is why when I read God's word and I see what God's word said, right? He know them that are His. Many of you believe that of these prophets and pastors and bishops and apostles are for God. Or that of these Christians, that of them are the devil won them. It's sad. Remember when I am growing up, and you will hear people say they're going to the house of God in the morning. It was a pleasure. You hear them say them go clean the house of God Saturday night. It was a pleasure. Everybody who go have them brush, them coconut brush, right? They have them polish. Who then do them red work and then polish over there. Have them red, water polish. And it was a pleasure cleaning the house of God, wiping the bench, putting out the kneeling pad. No. It's sad. When you hear service morning and Sunday school, everybody, children coming out. Whether them have breaks or not, people share. That not there again. When you hear all night prayer meeting, the house of God full. Those times where the house of God. When you hear baptism, sinners are go, backsliders are go. Listen, me no know. Me no know. Me no know. Me no know what the truth. Sad. It's sad. Now me see why Jesus Christ of Nazareth did want to give up the cup. But me thank God he never give it up. Because he said if he give it up, me couldn't stand and I do what me I do. Enough time I want to give up the cup. Because when me see leaders and Christians, them I do me. Right? And when me see all leaders and Christians are misled. Right? But you see what? Me glad son on a fool sinners and backsliders out there. That is why a lot of you don't love them because you know so they know what's on us, they know where. That's why them have to fight to find their way to God. You understand me? Look where people where God creates for serving. Look where leaders and Christians bring. And this with yourself when you see a sister or a brother will fall and then get up back when you try to use it, just like when you try to use my past against me. You understand me? When you try to use it to bring me down, you can't use it bring me down because I hit God tell me to use as my testimony. But what are you using for no testimony? Nothing. Show me what you do for God. All you can show a vanity. You understand me? But let me say this to the sinners and the backsliders, them, you know. And also, them who decide to stand for God. But especially the sinners and the backsliders. Me always telling you this and I'm going to tell you again. I wish me could have gone with my heart for me could see when me a bear under Christianity. As me tell people, me say, because me not sell God gospel. Look like I want foolishness, but me will remain a foolishness to God. Because his word said it. The foolish thing God used to confound the wise. And as I always said to you, sinners and backsliders, them are going to answer to God for whatever they cost you. But you're going to answer to God for your soul. No make none of them make you no lose enough soul. And that's why me I fight for every day. My soul, because you see a lot of them will say them are Christian. If me no know God feel myself through word, or decide to stand up for God, knowing me never see God, but me know there's a God, because me feel him present. And me know when him speak to me. If I didn't know there's a God, me that give up and throw in the towel and that they want. But as me say, me rather serve a God. And at the end there is no God and not serving him, and at the end there is a God. So me I tell you this, no make none of them make no lose no soul. Surrender on the life to God, reading word, pray fast, and me teach you know. And me lead you know where to go. Because you see many of us leaders, we no belongs to God. And the devil we belongs to, just as many Christians. So I say this also to them who out there will say them are Christian and decide to stand for God. Because me know they are true child of God out there and true leaders, you know. But what them quiet. You understand me? Them quiet. Because they're afraid to be talked about. You understand me? That is why God saying coming to pick the church out of the church. And it already started. Just sad there, man.